Hello everyone, welcome to Life with Erica. I'm going to open my Ipsy for this month and the summer Walmart beauty box. I've been waiting for that one to get here. If you're new here, hi, I'm Erica. This is Life with Erica. I do post things about, like little reels about my garden and all that other stuff, but today we're doing beauty stuff and I'm starting to feel like myself, so I got my hair is perfectly brushed and not just on top of my head, and I actually put on makeup today. So I'm hoping to get back into the swing of things. So if there's anything y'all would like to see, let me know in the comments below. Thank you. So the first thing we're going to open, and we're just going to go ahead and do the Ipsy. I was nervous when this showed up in a bag because I was like, oh gosh, there's an eyeshadow palette in there, I know it, and it's broke. But it's not. This is a cute little bag. It's not silky or nothing. It's just a bag. I'm going to take everything out. And I don't see, there it is. I was looking for this. This month for June is Blend the Rules. And it's got the Glitchy Glam, the LGBTQ brands, and comeback of a classic, it says. So it's just all these little things. It doesn't tell you prices. I do believe I got an email, and I think this bag was $150. And all you do is you pay 30, I think it's 33, 35, something like that. Comes out of my checking account at the end of each month. So let's go in here, and well, first thing we're gonna grab is this Rare Beauty Melting Blush. I have found myself liking the cream products more because I could blend them to be exactly how I want. Like this makeup look here, I got the Lunar Beauty bronzer, stick bronzer on. I got the Fenty Beauty tinted stick easy drop blur tint, just a skin tint. The NYX marshmallow. Where is the blush? There it is. I am using Defiance Beauty blush in Afterglow, and it's actually that color. It's just I'm not a real pinky person, so that's the color I used. But on the Rare Beauty one, it's Nearly Apricot. Might be a little too dark for me. I don't want to touch it. I did have a giveaway stuff set back here, but then there was a benefit for someone who had been in a bad car accident, and I took it all and put it in a basket, wrapped it up, and let them use it for the silent auction. So we got to start over, but this is definitely too dark for my taste, so this will be one of the first things that go into a giveaway box. Okay, then we have Aura Energy Glow Primer by Formula Z, and it looks like this. I have a lot of primers that I'm trying to get to. It has a pump, so if I don't get to this, I'm keeping it. I'm gonna go ahead and just stick it in the giveaway box, and if I need a primer, which trust me, I don't think I will, I'll put it up in there. I'll grab it, but I'll probably won't. Okay, now we have Toy Factory Nia Lip. It's 2 lip liners, and it is in a sealed box, and it's going to stay in a sealed box because those are basically the colors I already have, so these are definitely going in a giveaway box. Alright, and then we have Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte. It says Platinum. So it's a silver component. Let's see. Do I have Lights Camera Lashes in here? Yes, I do, but I have a small one, which is fine. And this is what the normal one looked like. Well, this size, but this color. So, and it looks like the... let me open this and see. Yeah, it looks like it's the same kind of little brush. Let me show you. It's not it right there because I don't want to open it, because once you open a mascara, that's it. You have to use it within 6 months. So I don't want to open it. It says volume platinum status, clinically proven volume, length, and curl for an instant eye lift effect. 24 hours smudge proof, flake free, ultra black pigment, jojoba and avocado oils to nourish and protect. Vitamins B5 and E to condition. This is going in a giveaway. I wonder if this whole box is going in a giveaway. The last thing is the Moon Slice Beauty Palette. And actually, I think I might keep this. Because, I don't know, something about those colors speak to me. This reminds me of Glass Bowl by ColourPop. You know what? I'm probably going to keep this. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch some of these colors. Yep, Glass Bowl by ColourPop. It's a duochrome. I like that pink color. It's not too out there. And then we'll grab this really dark matte shade, because I've noticed you could tell a lot about a formula by how the dark shades swatch. That'll be a good formula. Go get milk, baby. And then that pink is a matte one. They got a good formula. I'm going to play with this next, so be watching for that, because this is a nice, I like this formula. Let's go ahead and stick this in here so that I don't forget where it's at. But that is everything that came in. I get one thing, y'all get 4. Seems fair. Alright, so the next thing is the Walmart beauty box. It comes out seasonal. It's $8. It's under 10. It's definitely under 10. I want to say it's $8.54 that came out. And then they got the little summer beauty edit. And inside it'll tell you all the things. So the first thing in here is a Curology Emergency Hydrocoidal Patches. This is definitely not a full size. I think there is 20 patches in here. A full size has 40. So it's half size, and a full size is $9.92. So you could say this is $4.50. Okay. Then we have, I never say this word. This is a lightweight lotion sunscreen with Celox Shield by La Roche. I don't say that word because I know I'm going to mess it up. But it's a sunblock. The full size is 6.7 fluid ounces, and this is only 0.5. And the full size is $32.97. Alright, the next thing is Nair Face and Bikini Wax Strips, Orchid Cherry Blossom Extracts. Results up to 4 weeks when you long last them. So this is only like one, it looks like. Oh, it says 8 strips. Go get milk. Go get the milk. Go get the milk. There's 8 in here. A full size has 40, and a full size is $7.82. So this is like a quarter, maybe. I don't know. I can't do math in my head real fast. If Jason was here, he could do it for you. All right, Gimme Beauty Bounce Back Hair Bands, 12 piece. This is not 12 piece, but it's got the. I like these. I just bought some. In fact, I'm not sure where they are, but this is for like thick hair, medium thick, and thin, and it's definitely not 12 of them. This is only 5 of them, but a full 12 of them is only $7.90. So it's a really good deal, and they don't pull on your hair when you got them up, and they hold your hair. All right. Next thing, we have foil packets of Palmer's Cocoa Butter Tahitian Vanilla Shampoo and Conditioner. Definitely not a full size. It's $5.97 for the full size, and it looks like they come in a squeezy tube. All right. Here comes the boy. Let me see the cup. He has a cold, and he turns 17 on Sunday. My baby is going to be 17. Going on 5. There you go. Good thing I'm not monetized, because he's playing Thomas in the background. Okay, but a full size, two separate. So you figure $12 to get the two full sizes because it doesn't look like it comes as a pack. All right. The next thing we have is Chapstick I Love Summer Collection. There is Pink Lemonade, Peaches and Cream, and Sunset Watermelon. And this is definitely a full size. It's $3.88. So this is how it comes. You get 3 things for $3.88. That's not bad. You know what? Jason loves chapstick, but I want to smell these. I haven't used chapstick since they smelled. And it's just a plain color. The Pink Lemonade, it just smells regular. Let's see what these are for. It says, it doesn't say, it just says paraben free. So I don't know if it's for actual chapped lips or if it's just for like a lip gloss. I'll let y'all know when I try it. Alright, and the last thing in here is, I've been looking at these when I go to Walmart, believe it or not. Magnesium bath flakes, pure soaking solution, jojoba for moisturizing, calm, promotes muscle relaxation, skin hydration, magnesium chloride, lavender vanilla, and lavender essential oil. So I will probably try this at night because I'm anemic. You know, there's always something. My legs hurt sometimes and I can't sleep. I'm gonna put these in the giveaway also because I already have a full size, and them Curology things, and the Nair, and the La Roche. But I'm gonna keep these. This is the only thing. I'm keeping 3 things out of these 2 boxes. But I have a leg cramp in one of my legs at night to the point that I can't sleep. It hurts. Like I have this constant need to stretch. And I try to soak in a bath sometimes, and I've been thinking about getting these because the muscle relaxation part. So we're gonna try it out, but yes. All right, so I am so glad to be back on here, and I am seriously trying to get everything in order. Everything's been crazy. Like this month, there's Father's Day, there's Jason's birthday, there's Eric's birthday, and then 4th of July is the next weekend. So it's like everything's been crazy. A month ago, I had to do 2 separate little procedures to check for a different kind of cancer. Came back negative. It's just crazy. Everything's been crazy. I'm perfectly healthy except for allergies, which is messing with my throat right now, and I need my drink that's over there. So hold on. My throat is so dry. But I'm trying to get back into everything. I'm also looking into doing the 75 soft challenge. I'm also looking into doing some fitness stuff so that I could get toned and healthy, basically. Because as someone pointed out, I have lost weight. They've noticed. I'm going to say 100 pounds. 110, something like that. It's not fun. It is definitely the diabetes and the medication I'm taking for the diabetes is doing it, but like some people want that to happen. It's just I'm eating right and I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. But yeah, it's the Ozempic that they had to put me on because the metformin didn't work. My blood sugar was still going too high, so they had to put me on Ozempic. So that did it, along with stress, PTSD, constantly moving around, doing stuff, nervous, all this, and just a lot of things happen. But I want to do stuff to tighten and firm and to be healthy so that if they can find a pill that I can take that keeps my blood sugar under control and I stop taking the Ozempic, I don't all of a sudden blow up. I want it to be healthy, which I don't see as a problem because before I never ate anything like horrible. It's the weird thing. They said it was my genetics, but anyways, I am working towards a healthier lifestyle. As you can see, I love gardening, but these were my 2 boxes, and I really, really, really want to know what y'all want. I'm still trying to get the papers together for the Bible study, and I want to know what day is good. Like, is a Saturday good? Do y'all want it to be a live stream type thing? Do you want me to pre-record it and then put it out and then be there when it goes up so that we could talk in the comments? Give me your information, what you want, because honestly, I don't have a lot of people I talk to, but I have y'all, which is weird since I'm sitting in a room by myself with a camera. But I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Stay cool, because it is hot here, and the rain finally stopped, thank God. But love y'all. See you in the next one.